Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Sadaf Fatima and I cleared my MRCP Part 1 examination of October 2023. It took me 3 to 4 months of dedicated study and I used only PASTEST as my only question bank. I used no other subscriptions. The resources I needed at times were HANDBOok and other useful websites. And in the first 3 months, I did RCP samples first and then I moved on to the past papers practice. And I also attended Dr. AHAD'S courses, mainly the past papers course and also the MADBOX videos. In the last month, I solely gave it to revision. That included notes and repeated past papers practice. So by the time exam approached, I had completed it at least twice. I kept watching all Dr. AHAD'S courses videos as many times as possible. The last week, I repeated RCP sample paper once again and MADBOX videos twice. Also, I always tried to solve questions in a timed format, which helped me build an exam environment, which helped me in the real exam where I was done with both first and second paper an hour earlier, giving me stress-free exam and more revision time. So past papers and Dr. AHAD'S courses helped me clear this exam because most questions in the exam were very identical to what I have been solving in the past. So keep working on it and with patience, inshallah, Allah will help you. Best of luck.